Welcome to the Third Win channel. Yesterday, I made a video about the r/Wall Street Bets movement, and more specifically, AMC. Go watch that video if you're interested in learning about the movement as a whole, or if you're interested in the lower priced AMC. This video will cover GameStop's stock, or GME, and where it might go from here. And before I continue, a disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor, I am a student. What is GameStop? According to Wikipedia, GameStop Corp. is an American video game consumer electronics and gaming merchandise retailer. The company is headquartered in Grapevine, a suburb of Dallas, Texas, United States, and is the world's largest video game retailer, operating 5,509 stores throughout the United States, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, and Europe as of February 1st, 2020. So what is going on with GME? The company has been seeing negative growth since 2019, and the last two quarters in 2020, they reported 26 and 30% negative growth. One of the reasons for this decline is the success of other retailers, especially online ones such as Amazon, outperforming GameStop in the selling of video games. The company was going bankrupt, and hedge funds noticed this, and shorted the stock, big time. r/Wall Street Bets noticed an opportunity to fight back against these shorts, while also recognizing that the company with $5 billion in revenue was still a giant, worth more than the price on the market. Investors in GME need to hold their shares, as they recognize that if they keep the price high, the shorters will have to eventually close their positions and buy back the shares at higher prices. This is where the short squeeze happens. As with every short position closed, the price rises as people hold their shares unwilling to sell. Where are we now? GameStop's stock has been extremely volatile in the last month, going from $20 to $347, back down to $193, then back up to $325, and now it sits around the $90 mark. If we were to make some very basic thoughts on trends, one might think after this dip, it will go back up again. And this might very well happen, but let's look at some other things going on. First, the trend center, r/Wall Street Bets, has grown 6 million users from about 2 million to somewhere over 8 million over the last week. This shows the interest to follow the movement has grown. But on the other hand, again, using basic data, we look at Google Trends to see if people are still searching GME, and it seems to be lessening in interest greatly. Maybe we have a greater audience from potential entry-level investors, and the more casual mainstream audience is losing interest. It should be noted that the crazy $300 boom was achieved without any mainstream attention at all. There are three main factors that might be limiting the price of GME to rise. 1. Online brokers, limiting the amount of GME shares you can buy, if any at all. Many brokers have removed the option to buy GME entirely, only allowing you to sell. If investors cannot buy or are limited, this will obviously stop the price from going up. 2. There are rumors of major short attacks from hedge funds on GME which push the price down. What is a short attack? A short attack is a carefully planned and coordinated attack by an activist short seller that involves taking a large short position in a company and then attempting to drive the share price down by the release of negative information. Third, an increase in doubt and people cashing out. The movement is not one person. It is made out of millions, so everybody is in a different situation, and many will get scared and cash out. This obviously is not good for the price, but this is always a factor in the stock market. With that out of the way, why is it a good time to buy in? Despite all these issues, the stock is showing signs of resistance. The brokers will have to remove the buying restrictions soon, the price is at a dip, and soon the shorters will have to close their positions, which means they'll have to buy GME stock. This is a matter of patience. If the investors buy and hold collectively, the price will surge. Thank you for watching, subscribe for more content, and don't forget to buy and hold. Winky face.